This is the easiest way to make a touch sensor using an Arduino. All you need is a resistor connected to two digital pins. In this case, I'm using pin 2 and 4. Here, I have a wire for my touch point, and I have an LED just to demo that it's working. I'll show you the circuit up here in the video. If the touch sensor all you need, the code will be linked in the description. Now I'm going to expand on the setup since one of my viewers asked me to add a PCA 9685 and move a servo according to the touch. So now when I touch the wire, we have the servo moves to 90 degree, and when I let go, it goes back to 0. Of course, you can connect multiple servos here. The wiring for the PCA 9685 is really simple. You have VCC for voltage, so that's a 5 volt on the Arduino. Oops. And then you have ground, which is also simple. This is the external power. Don't forget to connect common ground between your external power on the Arduino. And then the last thing is A4 and A5. They go to SDA and SCL. So this is it for this video. I will leave all the code in the description, and the wiring should show here on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.